Hello, my beautiful people. Yo, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. My name is Veronica Yuji. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're so welcome. If you're returning, you're the best. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. I really do appreciate. Thank you. Anyways, I am in the village, and just as you can see there, I woke up to massage my grandmother's hand. My grandmother has been battling with arthritis for so many years, and this time around, those two fingers, these first two this side, are actually not functioning. They even had to break them because they were not folding. And anyways, I don't want to go into details, but those two fingers are not functional, and the three are the only ones that function. But she was advised to always massage them, at least including the other three times, at least 3 times a day. So when I go to the village, she requested me to help her do the massage, and I was so happy about it because wow, anything for my grandmother, anything. She's been my grandmom. She's been more of my mom for, when I was growing up. Half of my life was just in her hands after the death of my parents. I was really little. I was 7 years, and she was my mama. Yes, so anything for her, yes, why not? But the only problem she has with me is I'm not getting her a son-in-law. Ouch. So this has been a question that every time I visit the village, wow, that's the first question. So last year she was like, promise me next year you're not coming back here alone. You're bringing me a son-in-law. I want to see you settle down. I want to see you having kids. I want to see... oh my God. So I was like, you know what? At first... anyways, I really didn't think to, anyways, I don't want to even to explain so much. But I told her, you know what, God's timing is the best, and I promise you, when the right time comes, I'm going to bring your son-in-law. And she was like, I'm growing old, and I don't want to die before you bring your man to me. So I was like, oh my God, you know what? When God's timing I'll bring you the son-in-law. So anyway, we closed it at that point. Now the year ended. I thought would not I thought it was going to be longer. Looks like the year just, flipped, and we are in 2023. And now we're in December. So the year is ending and nothing is happening. So we had a function in the village, if you've been following me. And my grandmother was like, you know what? Come here. So she was like, you promised me something. So where is my son? I was like, I acted like I wasn't remembering. She was like, I know you know what I'm talking about. I laughed and I was like, you know what, Grandma? Like I said, God's timing is the best. And looks like my time has not yet come. So no pressure. Let's let God's will be done. And she was like, you're growing old. Do you know that? I was like, yeah, but then at the same time, I'm not going to lift anyone and just bring to you just because I want to make you happy if I'm not happy. So she was like, what's the issue? Is it that you're picky? Or what is the issue? Is it work? Why are you not getting serious over this issue? So I was like, honestly, I didn't even know what to say. So I was like, yeah, I have a very big schedule. That is true, and is indeed not giving me so much time to hang out with people. But anyway, not as much as I used to those, past years. So I was like, anyway, but that's not the excuse, right? I think I don't know. I'm not really picky. I just want to be happy, right? Of course, the man should be intelligent enough, should have the brains. I think I'm always somewhere. I don't know how they call those people, but I look out for the brains. Yeah, your intellectual ability. That's my only thing. And you should be innovative. Should be. You should be productive. Really. You should be able to hustle around. Because I'm a hustler. I work. I hustle so hard. I do so much. Every time my friends see me buy something for my house, they're like, why are you buying all this stuff? Looks like you're not going to get married. Why are you buying this? These things that should be bought by a husband, or you should be buying this when you're buying for your home, when you're married, or you should be. But I feel like, if I want it, why not? Why should I wait for a husband, or why should I wait to get married to be able to buy certain things? I don't know. Maybe it's me with issues, really. What do you think? Drop down in the comment box and tell me. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, right? But I also don't feel like it's cool for a guy to come and find you when you're just at zero, right? Yes, I feel where we've reached. Yeah, you should be able to have something on the table. Bring it. He brings in, right? I don't believe in those things of a man doing everything. Maybe it's because of the way I was raised. I don't know. But I don't know. Maybe I'm just so much of an independent woman. But I do believe, it should be 50-50. I shouldn't wait for a man so that I do a certain thing. I shouldn't wait for this or that. But at the same time, I want a man to provide as well. Okay? I wouldn't want to be in a relationship where I'm the one providing and the man is just... Let's not even go there. You should be, as long as you have your hands, your brain, you're functioning well. My goodness, you should be able to provide, and we should be able to work things out 50-50. Otherwise, guys, tell me. I think maybe I'm just too much. Maybe I'm just too much, honestly. But anyways, I don't know. Honestly, I sit down and ask myself, am I just... Anyway, maybe marriage is not my thing anyway. I feel like, just like some things are not for some people, perhaps even marriage. Not everyone is supposed to be married. Yes? Anyways, guys, I don't know, but I feel like that time will come. I will get married. I will get married. I will have a wedding. At least that one I know in my head. That's crazy, right? I know it in my head. Anyway, I believe in me that it will happen for as long as I'm living. That time will come. But at the same time, I really don't want to feel pressurized. I don't want to feel like it's a must. It's, a do or die. No, I feel it should flow. And me, I trust in God. I know God is preparing my man somewhere, somehow. And he will come at the right time and do things the right way. Yes, so no pressure. Oh my God, I don't know, this is so weird, but it is what it is. Like the video already if you've reached to this extent. Please like, share, comment, And did I mention I am actually my grandmother's eldest granddaughter? Maybe that's why these things are happening. I think so. You know, they say when you're eldest, you should be able to pave way for the rest. But I don't believe so. I don't believe so. If you're ready and you're younger than me, please, and your time has come, go for it. No need to wait. Anyways, the young ones are still young, so I don't think I'm blocking anybody's way. And anyways, I don't know. Advise me. What do you think? Maybe anyway, I'm starting to think maybe because of that. Maybe because I'm the eldest granddaughter. And actually, my grandmother happens to also be my godmother. So I think she's just trying to be a real mother to me and be like, I need to put these things right. She thinks I'm taking things for granted. She thinks I'm just playing around. She actually thinks I'm not, looking at aging. I'm like, really? I'm not so old. I was about to mention my years. I want to mention, but yes, I'm not really so old that everyone should be worried. Yes. I'm not so old. But I'm not again so young. So I'm in the middle there. That's what I should say. I'm in the middle there. I'll get married at the right time. That's what I trust. And I trust God will bring me the right person at the right time. No pressure. No pressure. But of course, for my grandmom, she really feels sad. She really feels bad that I'm not actually bringing her this son. And man, but I believe she'll get one. I don't know. I hope she really does understand my point. I really don't want to feel pressurized and end up bringing someone just to make her happy, yet I'm not happy. I just want to bring someone home who will make me happy, who will compliment me, who, even if he went blind, I would still be there for him, and if he lost his job, I would not complain. Even if I should be just as love should be, right? He should be able to be there for me. I am also supposed to be there for you. Compliment one another, not being in a relationship and I'm regretting and I'm like, oh my God, I had to do this because of my grandmother. And because relationships are about the two of you. So at the end of the day, it's me and my man in the house, right? Not my grandmother or not my aunties or not my friends. So I know some of them will watch this video and they'll be like, oh, so you took it to that extent. No, I just needed to put this there and inspire some people out there. I know there's so many people, going through the same thing I'm going through as of now. But all I want to tell you is don't feel pressurized to go into something you're not yet ready for. Because trust me, you'll get heartbroken. You end up crying all your entire life. Depression. Oh my God. To mention but a few. You even by the get ulcers. You get... my God. I hope I'm not scaring people instead. But what I want to say is go into serious commitment when you're ready. When you're really ready, like you're 100% sure you're ready to carry this whole, this whole thing. I don't know how to put it. You're able to carry this whole relationship with you. Because at the end of the day, if you're a woman, the family will always be on your head. You are I know that the husband is supposed to be the head, but honestly, the woman, Nothing will go right in a family if the woman is not happy. That's what people should know. But at the same time, a woman can't be happy, right? If the husband is not making her happy. So it's a 50-50. So go into something long term, something that is for life. Just know that's what marriage is. Marriage is meant to be for life. And why would I get into marriage and I'm thinking of divorcing? Anyway, I know no one ends up in a relationship to break it, right? Everyone goes into a relationship because they want it to work out, because they want it to be a forever, But, stuff happens. A lot happens and, things fail. I really do understand that. And sometimes it's not because you had predicted this or you knew this would happen. But one of the reasons is that because some people get into a relationship out of pressure, or let's say peer pressure, because your whole clique is married and you're the only one hanging in there. So you end up saying, anyone who comes, I'll go with him, or, let me also get married so I can fit into that group. Please don't do that. Never do that. It never ends up well. So with all that said, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. What are you waiting for? Please do subscribe. I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting me. May the good Lord bless you. I hope to see you in another one. Stay positive. And by the way, we are not just into, but we are in a season of giving and sharing. Please be kind. Love everybody. Those who have, kindly share with those who don't have. God will bless you. And I feel like when you share and give, your heart feels relieved of something. You get so happy. You feel you've helped out somebody. Anyway, I don't know, but that's my love language. I love gifting. I love sharing. Every time I gift, I feel happy. And God for sure will bless you more when you help another person who is out there and has nothing to themselves. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. I love you all. Take care, and remember to comment down in the box. Comment down with positive vibes. Positive energy all the way. No negative energy. Yes, that's what this channel is all about. Educating, entertaining, and sharing life experiences, and above all, travel. We'll be back into travel very soon. In fact, I have so many village videos, but I think I'll have to pause them so that we get into this Christmas fever. Okay, guys, I think that's enough for today. See you guys. I love you, love you, love you, love you. May the good Lord bless you all.